Hey there, fellow space enthusiasts. Today I want to take you on an exciting journey through our solar system and introduce you to an incredible celestial body called Chandrayaan 3. Chandrayaan 3 is an Indian lunar mission that aims to explore and study the moon. It was launched by the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO. It's the third mission in the Chandrayaan series following the successful Chandryajan 1 and Chandryajan 2 mission. This advanced spacecraft is equipped with state-of-the-art instruments and technology. Its primary objective is to land a rover on the lunar surface, allowing scientists to gather valuable data about the moon's geology, mineralogy, and exospheres. Chandrayaan 3 will not only help us understand the moon better but also contribute to our knowledge of how our own planet evolved. By studying the moon's surface, scientists can gain insight into the formation of Earth and other rocky celestial bodies in our solar system. Now, why is this important for us as school students? Well, Chandrayaan 3 inspires us to dream big and pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. It showcases the incredible achievements of Indian scientists and their dedication to pushing boundaries in space exploration. So let's keep looking up at the stars and remember that with determination and curiosity we can achieve anything. Stay curious, my friends, and keep exploring the wonders of our universe. That's all. Bye bye. May God bless you.